Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing for sale. The size is 27,000 square meters with a clean title at 1,000 pesos per square meter, negotiable, located in Barangay Bunbun, Cebu City. But usually people are calling the place Busay. So Busay is usually the very known term once you have a property in Cebu, Mountain Barangay in Cebu City. So moingon gyud kasagaran ang uban guys nga na ako yuta sa Busay. Nya napay uban mamalit, gusto ko mamalit og yuta sa Busay. Pero actually kung mahisgot tag Busay, naa man gyud ang Busay no, pero murag wa na gyud kay makit-an didto. Kung naa man gani perti pong mahala. So very expensive when you have a property or you buy the property in Busay. Okay, ang Busay man gud is already at the next of the few minutes away from the city, main city na. So this one is, I think it is around more or less 20 minutes drive from the Lahug, Cebu City, or diha dapita sa Marco Polo or kanang sa GY Square. More or less 20 minutes drive. So depende na sa imong pagpadagan no. Usually motorcycle kaya gina or bisan sakyanan okay ra. Maanad na ka ba? Kay because the road is not too big no. So what if og magkadungan bitaw di magyud malikayan na magyud magkasugat, so mohinay gyud ka. But actually the place is good for farming, farming ka diha, vegetable farming, or even poultry, piggery, backyard, something like that, backyard lagi. If you have an industrial, maybe it's very difficult for their neighborhoods already. Actually the adjacent of the property is a resort, mountain resort development. So and that house is included. So we are here at the upper portion of the land. So di atas ibabaw na gamay no. So it is overlooking to the road na. Actually guys, ang next na pud ana diha guys no, Bubarato na ay adjacent ani nga baligya sa Bubarato, but cheaper, but they have no road right of way. You need to buy this lot first before going to buy the next one. So this perimeter fence is the resort development already. So mo na siya guys no, resort na siya. So see, din ang location nato diri guys kini sa Bunbun or Barangay Bunbun, or let's say Busay. During kanang mag-uwan-uwan na, or even kanang mag-uwan na gyud, kanang rainy season na gyud, always fogging. So lisod gyud pod kay mag-fog naman diri guys nya, bugnaw na gyud. The temperature is lower na gyud, lahi na sa Cebu City. So it's cooler, or let's say basta lower na ang iyang temperature. So for example na mga 18 degrees na ba, lahi na gyud siya guys, 18 to something 20 ana na gyud. So mao nay status sa gitawag nato og Busay or sa Barangay Bunbun. So very nice to have or to own a property, although it's around 27 million, it's negotiable, but I think pwede ra man gyud pod na, basta na lang gyud tay kwarta. So depende lang gyud to guys no, sa may kaya. So mao man to atong road, nakita na to dito man ta. That is the part of property. Imagine this is 2.7 or almost 3 hectares. So mao na siya guys no. So very nice gyud ang atong gi-offer. So all are concrete road from the main road. So dito man tani agi sa Barangay Babag no, diretso na dire. So nindot jud kayo guys. farming lang ka diri, cattle farming or goat farming. So or you will plant any kinds of vegetables. So nindot na siya guys. Or if you have friends also, you can share. You can buy the whole lot, then you can share. Inyo lang ang gamon nga kuan, common area or common farm. So pwede raman mo mag-corporate ba. So nindot yun nga location as in. So nya dili kayo layo sa Cebu City, not too far from Cebu City. So mao na siya guys no. Then mao na to, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of land titles or condominium titles. We are selling subdivision and condominium. So lot only guys, ari ra gyud ta mobaligya sa mga klaro na gyud. Okay? Thank you and God bless. Bye.